Guys, galing kami ng BIR and my God, ang sakit sa ulo dun guys kasi iba-ibang tao, iba-iba yung mga requirements nila at nakakapikon. Kaya ayun, wala, panis na naman yung lakad namin. So, ang gagawin namin ulit is babalik ulit doon. So, mag-lunch muna kami. Nag-ano kami guys, nag-ihaw ng isda. Nagpa-ihaw pala ng isda saka ng karne. So, ito ha, ihihiga siya mamaya kasi mag-ano kami yung parang magkamay. Yung ganon. May kamuti pa.
Ay, maganda, no?
May kinilaw pa doon.
Tita, huwag muna ganyan dyan.
Huwag mo na, te.
Ante, di mo muna isa lang. Matigas pa naman. Hindi kami nakain ng kamuti.
Yun lang isa bawas.
Ito lang, okay na to dito. Hindi kami nakain ng kamuti kasi baka umutot kami. Siya na. Seafood tayo. Sige, huwag niyo papakainin ng ano yan.
Yun, may kamuti pa.
Ay, bloody.
Bakit hindi nyo pa kakainin ng kamuti?
Uutot ka lang eh.
Hindi, wow.
Utot tayo.
Basta hindi hiniwa.
Wait lang. Kalma.
Ba't puro putik?
Saan yan? Ano nang pusit ka?
Boom, sasawan. Boom, high blood.
Saan yung sasawan?
Kailangan gumawa pa.
Michael!
Sige, gawaan doon.
Michael! Boom, high blood.
Bakit isa ka eh?
Picture natin.
Wait. Sino gagawa ng sasawan?
Singo muna. Andun si Papa mo.
Toyo may suka doon.
Sili meron.
Andun kay Papa.
Hindi, dumi mo di. Basta...
Kung saan yung malalaki, doon malalaming kanin.
Appetizer.
So yan guys, utang yan yan.
Appetizer ta?
Meron kami pusit.
Matagas lang.
Pusit yan na maliit, malaki. Ito naman pork. Baboy pig, sabi ng baboy pig. Liempo. Ito naman ay patay na... Ang tawag dito? Alimasag. Tsaka meron may tuna. Kamote sa mga malaging umuutot.
Alam mo yung tabi?
Tapos Simon Bagino.
After.
Kalos ah.
Oh, ubus.
After yung kalos.
Very tunan, dami pa.
Tapos maligo sa dagat.
After sa...
Maligo sa dagat.
Diretso lang mag-ikabot.
So, di pa tapos yung dalawa. Si Bagino. Si Romel Bagino.
Yung mo ba?
Si Malia Bagino pa.
Uban ba dahil ng...
Si Kimyot, di pa tapos. Ayun, may harap pamangga. So, ang nanalo.
Kulat sa...
Ba't ito, malapad.
Kasi kung marang balik.
Oh. Si nanalo, si Mama Sanaida.
Gutom talaga.
Ubus, pati ka luluwa.
Pinagaw na ka? Nakaligo.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Tubay, dito sa Puok. Dito kami dito namin napili na maligo kasi ito lang yung pinakamalapit sa amin. Kaso nga lang is malalim yung tubig, pero sige lang kasi hindi nasa ano lang naman ako, sa mababaw lang naman ako.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life.
Kim! Maya.
Guys, tapos na kami naligo at basa kami lahat. Walang mga dalaw. Tingnan mo, nangitim ako guys. My God. Okay lang yan. Babalik din naman yan pag nakauwi kami ng Pilipinas, ng UK.
Ang itim ko na. Oh,
hindi siya
my
makita.
God.
Pauwi na kami ngayon kasi may pupuntahan kami.